This pushes a full 103 CFM, so it's a pretty strong fan. 120 millimeter up at gears. You can see 103 CFM. Ton of air. Right now I got it on the 12 volt DC power supply, but you can use a battery or even a solar panel just to straight connect to any of them. Okay, and the last thing, just seal the top. Then as maintenance, just pop the filters out, wash them and dry them, drop them back in. They're good for like 12 uses at 30 days each, so a whole year.